All right, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Foxbody build. We're gonna get right to work today. Today I'm gonna focus on cutting out the bad metal here and cleaning up the all the rust and hitting it with some rust converter. I'll probably start drilling out the spot welds to get all the rest of the floor away from the inner rocker, so we can see what we have to replace there. Then I'll probably start drilling out all the spot welds, and then hopefully make a panel to patch the floor and make a panel to patch the inner rocker. So less talking and more working. We're gonna get right to work today. I got it a little cleaned up. I cut out a little bit of the metal, drilled out a majority of the spot welds. So I'm going to try to cut this out a little bit and see how many I missed, and then we'll clean this all up, and yeah, we'll go from there. So I'm gonna cut a little bit of this out, and we'll go from there. All right, so I got the floor mostly cut out. Drilled all the spot welds out, and I'll show you guys that right now, all the progress we made. So now I'm gonna marhide it, rust converter. Then I have to let that sit for 24 hours, and once that does its thing, I'll be able to hit it with some weld through primer. I probably don't have to, but I will. So yeah, let's take a look at the work. All right, so floor is gone. Let me get up and give you a better look. Got a majority of it cut out, so we'll do it exactly like we did the other side, where we leave some of that, sandwich it up, and put a couple tacks, or not tacks, but a couple spot welds along there, and then we'll seam seal it. But yeah, there is some rust under this one. That one didn't have too much rust on the subframe, or the, I guess, yeah, subframe, whatever you want to call it. The other side I did cut through the trans brace thing, but I fixed that up. This time I made sure I did not do that, but it looks like I may have a little bit, so we'll have to fix that up too. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna clean all this up here, and then I will get it covered with some rust converter. We'll vacuum this all out, and then we will, or I will, you're just watching, but then I will vacuum everything up and probably tackle this right here, get these spot welds that are still there and holding out. So yeah, I'll set you guys back up on the tripod, and we'll get to work. All right, let's take a look at what I finished up. I actually got a lot farther than I was gonna go today. I kind of just got off work and wanted to tackle the car without recording, but said I would record this whole process on this side. So a lot of the metal, we'll take a look at it, I'll show you, and then we'll go over what the next step is, what I'm gonna do. And yeah, so let's take a look at what we got done. So yeah, a lot of the metal is actually in pretty good shape. A lot of it was just surface rust, so I went ahead and got all that down to bare metal. So what I'll do now is I'll weld all those holes that I made, and then I'll fill all the spot welds that are kind of deep, and then I'll go ahead and paint that. And then this stuff in here, I will hit with the marhide probably in the next video. Let the converter do its thing. I did get a little bit of the inner rocker cut out. It wasn't too bad. I won't even say cut out. I cut a couple spots and it literally fell out. But yeah, so this is what we got going on right now. Once everything is done, we'll test fit the floor in there, and we will see just what we need to trim. We'll probably have to take, like on the last one, take up to like kind of where the seatbelt mounts, kind of in there, and then we'll clean this back up. I'll have to do what I did over there, make a little patch panel for there, but shouldn't have to make too crazy of a patch panel for right there. So yeah, we're in pretty good shape. So the floor should look just like that one over there shortly. So that is gonna wrap up this video. Oh, that was shaky. I got a lot of work done, and yeah, the next video we'll probably weld up some of them spot welds, some of the holes I made. This one came out a little early, I think I said I planned on posting it Saturday, but yeah, today's Thursday, I think. Pretty sure it's Thursday. But yeah, so the next video we'll tackle some welding and some panels, and hopefully the floor will be done, and then we can move on to the strut towers and the frame rails up front. They do need a little repair, so once all that's good, we're gonna have to do the rockers, the outer rockers. So CJ, still waiting for them to ship me the passenger side. Driver's side is here though, so we'll probably fit that up and put that on. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.